Good morning, everyone. My name is Shlok Kumbharkar. I am from school Vidya Pratishthan New English Medium School, Baramati. I am from class 7th. Now I will explain you the problem statement. Problem is if the person have ordered a t-shirt from Amazon and it will take much time to deliver at the person's home. The delivery boy is also have to travel much distance to the person's home. The solution for this idea is SkyServe is a drone-based delivery system that provides fastest, contactless delivery of the items, food, medical supplies, packages from a central hub directly to the user location. My future plan is to open the idea the sky is no longer just a vast space. It's becoming a new frontier for technology. Drones are being used for delivery, surveillance, agriculture, and emergency services. My future plan is to develop and expand services in the sky using the drone to make life easier, faster, and safe. The proposed solution for this idea is first, we are using drone to deliver the order so it takes less time to deliver the order. It reduces the pollution, it saves the time of the workers. Less energy is required to do this work, and the owner is also having profit and customer is also happy. Thank you to our sponsors. Your support fuels innovation to MIDC, TIDES, academic outreach, alumni, sheet at works, and youth ideathon.